court has heard pleas from the Biden administration to conceal a law enforcement record concerning Prince Harry's visa application.
Yes, attorneys working with the Department of Homeland Security asserted that if the records were made public, there would be a stigma attached. And at the centre of the dispute is what he told the American authorities about his prior drug use.
But you see, there would only be a stigma attached if the records were in some way falsified or wrong or inconsistent. Joining us now, the woman in the know, Kinsey Schofield, to tell us more on all of this. Why is the revelation of this so sensitive, Kinsey?
Well, you know, I looked up the definition of the word stigma, and it's a mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstance. And I'm just like, did the Biden administration read Spare? Did they skip that chapter where he rubs the cream on the wear and he senses Princess Diana in the room? There was the disgrace right there. The objective is the Heritage Foundation wants to know, did he or didn't he admit to drug use? Did he lie? Was he given special treatment? And, you know, I really thought it was telling that the Telegraph, who is pretty friendly towards Prince Harry, used the words pleads with the court to keep Prince Harry's visas documents under wraps, because it does give you a sense that there's a sense of desperation from the Biden administration. What are they trying to hide? Why is this so important to them?
Well, that's a good question. And do you think that there could be plausibly any pressure coming from the royal family here because of any associated disgrace that it could cause?
As far as I've heard, there is complete distance between the British royal family and Prince Harry and anything he's got going on in his sphere right now. The Bidens have been really, they've been very kind towards Harry and Meghan. We've seen them side with Harry and Meghan. They sided with Harry and Meghan after the Oprah Winfrey interview. They used to attend Invictus. Biden recently was talking about how important Invictus was. So I do feel like President Biden and his wife have a very soft spot for Prince Harry.
There's a soft spot in your head this morning. I'm trying to.
I was doing the same.
Trying to work out for some reason. Sorry, I can't. What is? Right.
It's like from the Statue of Liberty, but it would look like a flashing light on your hairband.
Yeah. So it is a hairband.
It is. I apologize.
Or a halo.
Flashing lights.
No. At least now we know what it is. I thought it was something technical that wasn't working out. But so. How damaging is this or not? Is it irrelevant to Harry? Because obviously some people want to imply or prove that he was taking drugs and therefore he shouldn't have got his American citizenship as a result. And other people would say that he was lying about the situation. What way do you see the whole thing panning out?
Well, I know you guys are in the election mix right now, and so are we here in the United States. I think that if Biden is elected again, Prince Harry can feel confident in the fact that this information won't come out and that he will likely continue to stay protected in the United States. But we have heard former President Donald Trump suggest that if he becomes the next president and finds out that Prince Harry lied on these documents or was given that special treatment that people are concerned about, that he will take action. So, all eyes are on our elections, I guess.
Sure. And whilst we're talking about American politics, how discussed is it and how expected is it that perhaps Meghan could dip her toe in the ring at some point, and perhaps all of this is about protecting a future Democrat in that couple there?
Isabel, could it get any worse for my country? I'm moving over there. All I need is a dinghy. Apparently, you guys are just letting 10,000 of them over at a time. No, I do think that is a concern. Meghan has voiced, and her father has even said Meghan would love to have some sort of say in politics. And during the last election, we saw Meghan speak on panels with Hillary Clinton, Kamala Harris, who's now the VP, and Michelle Obama, the former First Lady. So Meghan has tried to insert herself, especially when it comes to the Democratic Party in politics, recently.
There we go. Never say never. It's all to play for. But if it means we get you over here, Kinsey, that's a great thing. Kinsey Schofield joining us all the way from Los Angeles, complete with her Statue of Liberty hairband this morning. Thank you very much.